what I want to make sure I tell y'all about these boho braids with the Janet collection curly hair is don't get it. Don't use the Janet collection curly hair for your human hair, because this hair, it started tangling and matting the second day. I hadn't put anything on the hair. I slipped in the bonnet. And I say that to say that it's not like I piled product on the hair which made it tangle and matte. Didn't put anything on it. Now, they put some mousse on it after they got finished braiding it, but they do that in every hair braiding video that I've seen for boho braids. So anyway, it's dry, it's frizzy, it sheds like freaking crazy, it's high maintenance. Every morning, just to get the hair to look somewhat decent, I had to spritz it with water, and sometimes I would add oil just to keep it moisturized. So maybe every other day I would add the oil and I would put mousse on it. And I use the Aunt Jackie's, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. I'll find it and put it on the screen. But I use the good moisturizing mousse because I wanted to make sure the mousse didn't dry out the hair. But oh, I freaking hate it. I mean, it looks a freaking mess. And so now I gotta pay for them to take it out. I don't want to pay them any more money. Okay, so the braid shop, she told me to get Milky Way hair, but I got this hair from my local beauty supply store because I was running out of time. I didn't have time to wait for an Amazon delivery. So I just picked it up in my beauty supply store so I can go ahead and get my hair braided, and they didn't have Milky Way in this length. So I couldn't get Milky Way, so I just got the Janet collection. So I can't put it on the braid shop, but the advice I will give you is get your boho braids from someone who provides the curly hair for you, because they know what curly hair is best for this style. Don't get it on your own. If you don't know for sure what curly hair to get for boho braids, then just go to someone who's going to provide all of the hair for you. I saw a lot of girls on the cruise that had this style, and their curls looked amazing. Their hair looked amazing. Every time I saw somebody with this style and their hair looked amazing, I got annoyed all over again. So take it from me. Do your research and just do yourself a favor and go to someone who's going to provide all the hair for you. Okay? All right. See y'all later.